Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Spark using our Sandbox. So right now I am logged into our Sandbox and I have a terminal up. Let me also open a browser so we can look at Spark. Also, I like to open the file browser. So under the home directory, you should see a data directory. If you navigate into it, you will see a bunch of data sets we checked in. This is so you can get started quickly without having to look through data sets. I'm going to look at an interesting data set called Spark commits. These were the commit logs made for Spark project in the past couple of years. So I have a full file for 3 meg and also a sample file if you want to play with a smaller size sample. Alright, so what we are going to do is we are going to install Spark and analyze this file. Alright, back here. And by the way, I will provide the script with these commands in the GitHub repository. So if you look at the GitHub repository, you will see the exact commands I typed in. All right, let's start by unpacking the Spark binary distribution. So we already have Spark downloaded. So I think we have Spark 2.1. That's the version we are using. Simply just tar xvf. All I'm doing is think of it as unzipping the file. All right, it's done. So I should see a Spark directory right there. I'm just going to rename this to Spark just so it's easier for me to type. All right, just renamed the directory as Spark. Now, if I look at this, I should have the Spark installation right there. All right, let's go ahead and launch the Spark shell. So it's Spark bin Spark shell. All right, this is the command. Very good. Spark shell is up and running, and we see version 2.210. And in the browser, if we go to localhost, port number 4040, we will see the UI for the Spark shell. Right now it's empty, nothing's going on. So let's load some data and do some analytics. All right, so let me clean up the shell. I'm going to load the file Spark read text file. The file is under data directory, Spark commits. Let me make sure. Yep, data Spark commits.log. Okay. All right, this is my data. Very good. So I read the file right here. Let's see how many lines this file has. So let's do a f.count. There you go. It came back and said, yep, the file has around 19,000 lines. Go back to the UI and do a refresh. And now we see the Spark UI and we see the operation of the count. Pretty good. So this is the quick test of running Spark using the Sandbox VM. Thank you.